Today in class 12 I am telling about the calibration. What is the meaning of calibration and which instruments can be calibrated by means of the potentiometer? This is the question in calibration. So first the calibration. So calibration means the checking of the accuracy or the correctness of the voltmeter, ammeter and the wattmeter. The calibration means to check the correctness or accuracy of instruments like ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, etc. By comparing them with a reference standard. And for calibrating these instruments, the potentiometer is used. The potentiometer is used for calibration because it is an ideal instrument the difference between the readings of voltmeter and potentiometer is called error. So error delta V is equal to voltmeter reading minus potentiometer reading. and voltmeter reading is now V, this is now your V dash, so this is now your delta V. Now this error may be positive, negative or zero depending upon whether V is equal to V dash, V more than V dash, V less than V dash. The error delta V may be positive, negative or zero. So now this is what we find the error, and this error must be minimum. Then we can say that what instrument has been manufactured by the company is correct. Otherwise it is not correct and it is not allowed to sell in the market. Because suppose some voltmeter is manufactured by the company and in our houses the voltage is 220 volt, then definitely the voltmeter must read 220 volt. If the instrument is reading suppose 300 volt, then this is wrong. So this is not allowed to sell in the market. So first they are calibrated by means of the potentiometer. So this is checked whether the instrument has been manufactured that is having less error or no error at all. Calibration curve. The graph between error delta V and voltmeter reading. Is plotted. It is called calibration curve. Now this curve is zigzag. The calibration curve is zigzag because error is positive, negative or zero. So what we have that this error is taken on the x y-axis and the voltmeter reading on the x-axis. Then we draw it. This is like this. This is y-axis. This is your x-axis. Here we take the voltmeter reading V. And here we take the delta V on this side and delta V on this side also. These are the positive, these are the negative. So the readings are like this. Like this. This is the zigzag curve. These are the positive errors, these are the negative errors, and this is the voltmeter reading. So we have the value of V to be here. This is voltmeter reading, and then we can find, and with the help of this calibration curve we can take any value of the voltmeter, and for that we find the value of the potentiometer. Now for any reading of voltmeter, the potentiometer reading can be calculated by using calibration curve. यूजिंग कैलिब्रेशन कर्व। सो क्या करते हैं कि जैसे यहाँ पर किसी भी वैल्यू के लिए, नाउ फ्रॉम दिस इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड एंडिंग एट दिस, सो यू कैन टेक द एनी वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वोल्टमीटर एंड यू कैन फाइंड द करस्पॉन्डिंग दिस डेल्टा वी। So this delta V is equal to V minus V dash, or V dash equal to V minus delta. Now this is the V dash, the potentiometer reading, and then this is find out that this potentiometer reading matches with this reading V or not. If this is matching one, then this is right one. And you know that this delta V may be positive and negative, so if it is positive then this is minus delta V, and if delta V is negative then this is to be just added. So this is for delta V equal to positive, और यही वैल्यू होगी V dash equal to V plus delta V for delta V equal to नेगेटिव। तो अगर नेगेटिव होती है तो इसको इसमें जोड़ देंगे, घटते हैं, और इसमें इसको घटाते हैं, तो इससे हमें पोटेंशियोमीटर की रीडिंग पता चल जाएगी, और इस रीडिंग को हम वोल्टमीटर की रीडिंग से मैच कर देंगे, तो उससे पता चल जाता है दैट वेदर द गिवन द इंस्ट्रूमेंट मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय द कंपनी इज करेक्ट और द नॉट करेक्ट। सो दिस इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ कैलिब्रेशन, एंड ऑलवेज द पोटेंशियोमीटर इज यूज्ड for the purpose of calibration of the electrical instruments. So this is why that potentiometer is used for the calibration. So thank you.